Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shinanti and I hope you all are doing really great. So you guys already must have know what is this video about from like thumbnail and the title. Yes, so in video I'm gonna create this look. Actually I love the whole look, how it turned out, and I really hope that you will like it too. So, and yeah, one more thing, so this look is going to be almost a one brand tutorial. Of course I'm gonna add everything, all the details in the description box below, so you guys can totally check that out. So yeah, that's it. Without dragging it too much, let's jump into the actual part. Alright, so now let's start with the illuminator. This is their Glow Set Go illuminator. I love this one. I think this is a great option if you are looking for an illuminator in really, budget. And also it's really easy to use. There are a lot of other illuminator जो like बहुत सारे foundation के साथ काम नहीं करता है, but this one is really good. It works with all the foundations. Just look at the glow. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply, this is the matte foundation. This is one of my go-to foundations, to be very honest. I really love the consistency, the coverage, the finish of this foundation, and also the packaging is so travel friendly. I mean, it's a tube packaging, right? And it's so good when you are traveling. And ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा long lasting भी है. It will gives you that beautiful medium to buildable full coverage. You can see, right, the glow. It blends so easily and the consistency is like not too matte, not too dewy. It's perfect, and it's perfect for all the skin types out there. That's what I like. And just you can see the finish, right? It's so beautiful. It's not at all cakey. It's so skin like, and also everyday use के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. If you are just take a little bit on your hand and just blend it with your fingers, it will gives you that beautiful skin tint wala effect as well. So yeah, so this foundation comes in 14 different shades, so you can totally find your perfect shade. And this shade Cappuccino is my perfect match. You can see that. So as you can see the finish, it's you can still see the glow, right? It's all because of the illuminator. I just totally love this combo, this foundation and the illuminator. They work so well together. I totally recommend this. So alright, now I'm gonna apply lip and cheek tint. You guys know how much I love lip and cheek tint, right? And this shade is so pretty. Basically it's a cherry red shade, perfect for fair to medium skin people. I really like the texture of this. ये काफ़ी अच्छे से blend हो जाता है, and also it's quite pigmented. I mean, you guys can totally see that. I wish मैं थोड़ा सा कम लेती इसको. I just look like a tomato right now. And the best part of this tint is ये बिल्कुल भी स्किन को स्कैन नहीं करता है. It's so blendable. If you like, जैसा कि मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत सारा ले लिया है, you can always tone it down. It's not going to be a big problem for you. And which I like the most is the glow. If you are into that glass skin wala makeup, you're gonna love this. It will provide you that beautiful within sort of blushy glowy look. I absolutely love how my skin is looking right now. It's totally giving me that Kashmiri vibes. I just love it. Okay, so next moving on to the eye makeup, and for that I'm using this kajal pencil. So now I'm gonna do a not so even liner because we are going to smudge it. क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे बहुत ही easy peasy black smoky करने वाली हूँ, so you don't need to be precise. So you can see the 1/5 pigmentation, right? ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा pigmented है. ये बिल्कुल भी जल्दी ड्राई आउट नहीं होता है. सो इट्स रियली गुड ऑप्शन इफ़ यू आर इनटू दोस काजल वाला ब्लैक स्मोकी. बहुत अच्छे से क्विक हो जाता है ब्लेंड. एंड बाय द वे, टू smudge this I'm using a smudger brush. Now I'm gonna blend it. You can see this, right? ये बहुत अच्छे से blend हो रहा है and it's not even losing its pigmentation, which is great. And right now I'm kind of trying to make a wing out of it, because that's how it's going to look my eyes a little more bigger. At least that's how I like to do my makeup. Okay, now let's do the lower lash line. I'm gonna wear a good thick kajal. Just look at the pigmentation. It's okay. Now let's smudge the lower lash line as well. And to smudge my lower lash line, I'm using a smaller smudger brush. I just love how this black smoky turned out just using a kajal. I just really loving my eye makeup right now. Now next, moving on to the last step, which is lipstick. And I'm using their mousse lipstick. I just love these lipsticks, to be very honest. I have plenty of their shades. I think almost every shade from this range, and I love it. It's so lightweight, moussey kind of texture, and also it quite long lasting. It's not completely matte, of course, since it's a moussey lipstick, but it's so good. It will, it will stay put on your lips for. And just look at the shade. I mean, it's so pretty. This particular shade is for all the skin types out there. I mean, it's so good. Alright, so my makeup is done. I really love how it turned out. Alright, now let's put on some jewelry. And to be very honest, I'm kind of obsessed with this look. So yeah, that's it. This is my final look. प्लीज़ बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, बिकॉज मुझे बहुत पसंद आया ये लुक, like how it everything turned out. So if you're watching my videos for the very first time and if you like this look, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also please hit the bell icon so that you guys will get notified every single time I upload a video. So please keep an eye on my community section. So yeah, so see you in my next video. Until then,